Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha CC for Sims 4. First, understand that Alpha CC provides a more realistic look compared to the game's default style. Next, you'll need to find safe and reliable sources for downloading this content. After downloading, I'll show you how to correctly place the files into your game's folders. Finally, we'll cover the essential in-game settings to ensure your custom content appears and functions properly. Finding Alpha CC is exciting, and many creators share their work online. Popular platforms like Tumblr, Patreon, and dedicated Sims 4CC websites are great starting points. Always prioritize trusted creators and read descriptions carefully to ensure the content is compatible with your game. Some content might be behind early access on Patreon, but often becomes free later. Remember to check for any specific installation notes from the creator. Once you've downloaded your Alpha CC, installation is straightforward. Most custom content comes as package files. If you download a compressed file like a zip or RAR, you'll need to extract its contents first. Then simply drag and drop these package files into your Sims 4 mods folder, located in Documents/Electronic Arts/The Sims 4. You can create subfolders within the mods folder to keep your content organized, but avoid going too many levels deep. After placing your files, you must enable custom content within the game itself. Launch The Sims 4, then go to Game Options by pressing the Escape key. Select the other tab on the left. Here, ensure that Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed are both checked. The game will prompt you to restart for these changes to take effect. After restarting, your Alpha CC should now be visible and ready to use in your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.